Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to link your Supercell ID to Clash Royale. This simple process ensures your game progress is always safe and accessible. It takes only a few moments to set up, providing peace of mind and flexibility. You can play on different devices, switch accounts effortlessly, and even claim special rewards. Let's get started with securing your valuable game data today. If you are connecting for the very first time, begin by opening Clash Royale and tapping the three lines icon in the top right corner to access settings. From there, select the Supercell ID button. Choose Register Now and enter your preferred email address. A 6-digit verification code will be sent to that email. Input it into the game to complete your new Supercell ID creation. It's a straightforward process. Inside the Phaser Blast security room, you will discover a present containing the bowling pass. This pass is essential for accessing the Bonnie Bowl, a key location in your search. With the bowling pass secured, you are now ready to move on to the next phase of obtaining the Monty Mix. Once your Supercell ID is linked, managing your accounts becomes incredibly convenient. You can effortlessly switch between different Clash Royale accounts directly from the settings menu, allowing for versatile gameplay. Your progress is automatically backed up to the Supercell cloud, ensuring it is safe even if you change devices. This connection provides robust security and seamless access to your game anytime, anywhere, across all your compatible devices.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.